Welcome back to Rusted Junk Garage. Well, today we're out in the garage. We're not working on rusted junk, but we're working on this thing. 2001 Volvo S80. Let me take you inside and show you what we got going. Okay, inside the car, we have the front driver's seat unbolted here, and it's just four 14mm bolts to remove the four corners, two in the front, of course, two in the back. And this setup, it has three motors in it. One motor is for to set the seat height. The other motor back there is for the backrest reclining. And this motor here is for your seat forward and back. And this motor is hooked to both of the tracks via a short little drive shaft out of the outside of this motor into that track, and this longer drive shaft that comes out of the inboard side of the motor and into that track on that side. Well, the end of the shaft is supposed to kind of look squared off, and it's got wire wrapped around it and tapered a little bit there. But this end that came out of the motor side of it, you can see it's all unwound. So basically we just broke the joint there, and the motor would turn but the shaft wouldn't, causing that side of the seat not to move. So we've got a new one of these on order, and it's just a matter of these just pop in. They do have a plastic covering. I don't know, I guess for you guys that are old enough, this would be like a torque tube. There you go. But pretty easy fix. Kind of glad that all it was. These are, like I said, about 14 bucks. Well, 24 bucks once you ship it here. The motors are around 120, so glad that's all this is. This Volvo, it's been a pretty good car. 2001 S80. It's kind of been a love-hate relationship a little bit, though. Seems like when things go wrong, you always got to kind of think like a Volvo engineer to figure out how to fix this. But we manage always to get through it. So anyway, that's where we are. We ordered the part, and we get it in. We'll show you how we slap it back together and get this power seat working and get the old girl back on the road. Hopefully it'll be good for another 21 years. We'll see. Thanks for joining us, Rusted Junk Garage, today. We'll catch y'all in the next one.